Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys. We are in the open air. So let's get started with the tech news because it's too fresh. So Nvidia के already कितने सारे GPUs हैं वो already reveal कर चुके हैं of the 3000 series, even the 3050 Ti that was going to come this year that has delayed. I don't know when it is going to come. But Nvidia is also planning a 3090 Super. I don't know what will be the use of that card because the 3090 is a monstrous card because it already has over 10,500 cores, CUDA cores, and now the 3090 Super that is like allegedly in the leaks that comes with a 10,752 CUDA cores with a TGP of 450 watts. 450 watts alone for the GPU. My PC, I think so, has a power supply of 550 watts. So you can think of that like a whole PC and a GPU alone. And I don't know how it is going to be priced. And the 3090 already is like selling for like almost 3.5 lakh rupees. So yeah, definitely I think so this will top of the charts for like 4.5 lakh rupees easily. So Apple had to lay down their weapons in front of court. और Apple जो है अब आपको उनके developers की website से जाकर currency या in-game items they can buy, and Apple will not restrict that, or they cannot kick the app from the App Store. So that is a really cool move because ये जो है Apple के finally Apple is laying down their weapons, and definitely I think so that Epic will also see this as like a part of their victory because Epic also has like done the similar thing with the Fortnite in-game currency. So definitely yeah, they will be saving some money because they will not be giving out the 30% cut that Apple acquires from the developers. So remember when I told you Windows 11 जो है 7th generation CPUs के लिए support दे सकती है, and that happened because Windows जो है Windows 11 सिर्फ एक 7th generation के CPU को support करेगी. That will be the 7820HQ. That is a i7. That is a HQ variant only, like on the higher end laptops only. Because this HQ variant is a gaming laptop variant. So सिर्फ उस laptop को Windows 11 का official support मिलेगा. But other than any hardware can run Windows 11, but with their like quicks and bits disabled. So yeah, definitely Windows 11 is available for everyone, but officially it will be limited to the hardware that you have. And also the Ryzen 1st generation is excluded from this, so all the CPUs from Ryzen 1 generation will not get a Windows 11 update. As well as Windows is also planning their Ignite event later this year, and hopefully we'll get the Surface Duo 2 there, which is rumored to come with a like a stylus as well as Snapdragon 888. I think so that 888 Plus would have been like great because the previous one came with a Snapdragon 855, which I am currently running on my G8X, which is not that snappy to be honest. So it will definitely leave you desiring for more in terms of performance. So already the world is suffering from chip shortage, and TSMC had decided कि वो अपना 10 से 20% जो है production या और जो उनकी wafer manufacturing है, they will increase the price of that. So this is like fueling the fire of the chip shortage, which is already like sinking the whole world because उसकी वजह से काफ़ी सारी जो है कार की इंडस्ट्री जो है that has been affected. Smartphones, PCs, graphic cards, all things that like need a silicon chip in it, they have been affected. So yeah, definitely this price increase will like fuel this fire, and let's see when the whole fire gets settled down. So काफ़ी टाइम से रूमर था कि Netflix जो है वो गेमिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन भी शुरू कर सकता है, and now they have already released it in Poland only. This is only available in Poland. So आप जो है कुछ गेम्स जो है Android based गेम्स जो है वो इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो from their app. So these are the games which are like coming up on the Netflix apps only in Poland. So ये जो ऐप है आपको Stranger Things की जो कुछ गेम्स हैं you can play as of now, but I think so they will definitely like expand their library coming forward. So पिछली टेक न्यूज़ में मैंने आपको बताया था कि T-Mobile को जो है हैक कर लिया गया. The person who hacked T-Mobile, he came in front of the media and reported to Wall Street Journal. So Wall Street Journal के साथ बैठ के उस हैकर ने पूरी conversation की है that their security is weak, and he also leaked out some things about T-Mobile on the media front. So definitely this was interesting because definitely this was one of the biggest hack that happened in this year. Definitely it was asking for a ransom of $50 million. So yeah, definitely it was a big one. So Samsung ने अभी Fold 3 जो है वो रिलीज किया, and if you wanna unlock the bootloader of that device, the inside under display camera will be disabled. So Samsung ने अपने एंड से ये डिसाइड किया कि वो under display camera जो है वो disable कर देगी if you unlock the bootloader. that is a really like lame excuse. I don't know why they are doing this, because if you need the under display camera, it is definitely not a hardware thing that will like get disabled or something, or a security thing. So yeah, it should be enabled by default even if you are unlocking the bootloader, because you own the device and all the functionality should remain the same regardless of what I am doing with the device. So they are like definitely disabling the hardware of that device if you are unlocking the bootloader. So definitely that is like really bad for a consumer standpoint. So साउथ कोरिया फाइनली अब जो है लेट नाइट गेमिंग का बैन जो है वो रिमूव करने वाला है. साउथ कोरिया हैड अ बैन लाइक 16 ईयर्स के जो बिलो जितने भी चिल्ड्रन हैं वो लेट नाइट गेम्स नहीं खेल सकते हैं. सो दैट हैज़ बीन रिमूव एंड नाउ साउथ कोरिया पीपल कैन प्ले गेम्स एज मच एज दे वांट. सो एक वल्नरेबिलिटी रेजर के माइसेस में फाइंड आउट हुई थी कि अगर आप रेजर का माइस जो है वो प्लग इन करते हैं, सो इट कैन गिव एक्सेस लाइक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर प्रिविलेजेस टू अ software or anything that will run with their Synapse app. Synapse is their app which controls all the RGB as well as like the functionality of mouse and keyboards of the Razer stuff. So definitely that was a bigger flaw that was found. And Steel series के mouse और keyboard भी इस flaw के साथ जो है वो आते हैं. So definitely both companies have been informed about it and hopefully a patch will be coming soon. So yeah, if you have a Razer mouse, you need to be careful if like you are running malicious or like sketchy software on your PC. So there are rumors कि Apple जो है fall में अपने जो Mac Mini है उसको upgrade कर सकता है with the M1X. That is a much beefier and powerful version of the M1 chip. Definitely the M1 is one of the like greatest deals that you can get right now for like 69,000 rupees या 61,000 rupees के लिए sell करता है. I don't know the exact price for of that, but definitely it is a great package with the M1 chip inside, and now you can also get it with the 10 gigabit NIC. So yeah, definitely it is worth spending that much amount of cash. So Sony ने अपना एक नया PS5 का वर्जन रिलीज कर दिया. This is the all digital edition. So this one is lighter than the normal one. This is 300 grams lighter and this is completely toolless. So इसमें mostly जितनी भी चीजें हैं वो आपको normally आप thumb screw से जो है वो open कर सकते हो. Even the base stand जिसके लिए आपको screw driver की जरूरत पड़ती है, now there is a thumb screw for that. So Microsoft का जो Azure Cloud है वो उनका एक flagship product है, and now they have found a vulnerability that can leak huge amount of databases in their flagship service. So that is definitely one of the biggest flaws that they have found out in their Azure Cloud. They have been like bragging about their cloud services for like years now, and definitely this is one of the bigger issues that a company will be facing if their database is leaked out anywhere in public. So PayPal ने जो है अपनी क्रिप्टो करेंसी की जो ट्रेडिंग है वो उन्होंने वर्ल्ड के लिए अनलॉक कर दी है. इट वॉज प्रीवियसली ओनली अवेलेबल इन US. नाउ UK हैज ऑल्सो बीन इन्वॉल्व एंड मल्टीपल अदर कंट्रीज आर इन्वॉल्व, एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो इंडिया इज अनलॉक्ड विद दैट, but I think so that if other countries are unlocked, India will be definitely getting them sooner or later. So MI ने 26 अगस्त को काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो है वो रिवील की थी. They revealed the Mi Band 6 that I am really disappointed in, because वो जो है उन्होंने काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव कर दिया. It is 1,000 rupees more expensive than the Mi Band 5, which sold for 2,500 rupees, which I was really not a fan of, because I am currently using the Mi Band 4, which I don't know, I love this band because it has a greater battery life than the Mi Band 5, and Mi Band 5 was not that appealing to me because it did not like had substantial changes. Mi Band 6 has a SpO2 sensor and 80 exercises mode, but I don't think so that I will be shelling out 1,000 rupees more than the Mi Band 5 for the Mi Band 6. So I think so definitely I will be skipping the Mi Band 6 and hopefully getting a smarter watch instead. Talking about SpO2 sensor, Fitbit ने भी अपना जो है उनका नया लेटेस्ट फ्लैगशिप बैंड जो है वो उन्होंने रिवील किया है. दैट इज द Fitbit Charge 2021. सो इसमें भी आपको SpO2 सेंसर मिलता है एंड इट कम्स विद सम गूगल गुडीज. सो ये जो है गूगल का ऑलरेडी Fitbit बाय कर चुका है गूगल को. सो आपको काफ़ी सारी गूगल की जो एमेनिटीज़ है वो इसमें ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड मिलती है दैट यू कैन लाइक यूज. सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी अ लाइक एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज Fitbit is naturally a like expensive fitness tracker brand. So yeah, we have to see how much it will cost in India because the Indian pricing are not out yet, but it has been revealed in US. So MI also released their new laptop. So एक उन्होंने MI Notebook Pro निकाली है that sells for 57,000 rupees with the i5 variant and also has a Thunderbolt 4 port. So definitely this is the competitor with the previously launched Realme Book. और उन्होंने MI Notebook Pro भी reveal किया that comes with the HK variant. So ये जो है एक powerful variant है that comes with the i7 processor and this sells for 60,000 Indian rupees. उन्होंने उन्होंने एक राउटर भी रिवील किया था, द मी राउटर 4A. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई एम लाइक रियली seeing forward buying, because it sells for only 2200 rupees and it has dual band and also gigabit Ethernet ports on the back, and definitely it has some quirks by like using an app to control it. So definitely that is a really great product for that price. They also revealed their Mi TV 5X that will sell for 32,000 Indian rupees. और उन्होंने एक नया security cam भी reveal किया that has 2K resolution. It is called their Mi Smart Cam 2K Pro that sells for 4,500 Indian rupees. Yeah, they revealed a bunch of stuff, but I don't think so that most of them are relevant, other than the laptops as well as the router. But other than the band, I am like really disappointed in, because I wanted much more from that band and also wanted NFC connectivity to like have wireless payments on that, but definitely we didn't get any of those. So yeah, definitely that is a really bad impression on the whole Mi Band form factor as well as like their community. So I expected more, but they didn't deliver. So I guess I have to skip it. So guys, that was it for this week's tech news. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, please make sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.